I'm Judith Walker, and I'm a laughter yoga group leader within Edinburgh U3A. With laughter yoga, we laugh without jokes, without comedy, without humour. We laugh, we just laugh for no reason, because laughter feels good and it is full of health benefits, and it just feels wonderful. And even if you don't feel like laughing, even if you say, oh, I've got no sense of humour, even if you're not happy, you can still do laughter yoga, because you start by pretending. You just think of laughter as an exercise. Think of laughter as an exercise. You pretend, you simulate laughter, you just go, ha 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 ha, which is fine, because your body, when you're laughing, even if you're pretending, even if it's fake, your body can't tell the difference. Your brain knows if something's funny or not, but your body, it just doesn't know, and all the health benefits kick in anyway. And then we clap, ho, ho, ha ha ha, ho, ho, ha ha ha, ho, ho, ha ha ha, ho, ho, ha ha ha. And then with deep breathing, big breath in, stretch right up. And this is the yoga bit. This is all the yoga you're going to get. Fill your lungs with air and then laugh it out. Laugh it all out. And a bit more. Pretend you've got a mobile phone, okay? And you're listening to your mobile phone. And it's a really, really, really funny phone call. Very good, very good, yay! Very good, yay! And then another big breath in. Big breath in, stretching up, and then laugh it out. So, pretend you've got some really hot soup. And it's delicious, and you're going to take a mouthful. Ho, ho, ha ha ha, ho, ho, ha ha ha, ho, ho, ha ha ha, ho, ho, ha ha ha. And then breathe in, stretching up, more, and laugh it out. Look in the mirror, look at yourself, and smile, and laugh. Even if you don't feel like it. And give yourself a thumbs up. If you laugh every day, it begins to rewire your brain, and you develop new neural pathways, and eventually it reframes your perspective on life, and you get better able to cope with challenges and difficulties.